I'm meteorologist Adam Stiles. Right now the cloud cover is building in. This is going to be in advance of this wet weather that sets up overnight tonight. We'll get the first round of showers just after midnight. It will continue as we go into the morning in an on and off fashion. And there is the risk of a couple of thunderstorms early on and then a break through mid-morning until about midday. Then we get the back edge of this system, and that is going to fire up a few more showers and thunderstorms once we get into the afternoon, continuing into the evening hours. So ears and eyes to the sky during the day tomorrow. This is system one. There's another system back in behind it that will be here during the day on Friday. Friday night, we could get a little bit of rough weather as well. And then as we get into Saturday morning, we'll see a few lingering showers. And then I think we catch a break with one more system over the long weekend. I'm hoping the timing works out just right where it is going to be throughout the overnight hours. What you can see here on the big map here, the temperatures are at 23 now in Toronto, fairly close to the seasonal mark. But the heat is starting to build, and with that heat, we're going to add a little bit of humidity as well, and we're going to start to see those humidex values climbing. In fact, 38 the humidex value in Sioux City, Iowa. That is going to be not far off of what we're going to see for feels like temperatures. Ours are likely going to be more into the range of about 35 for humidex values once Friday rolls around. So it is going to be a bit sticky here as we head into the weekend. A little relief coming our way as we get into the day on Sunday, but feeling very summer-like. When you take a look at the future weather makers, we get the first band here along the warm front. That is going to bring us the round of showers and thunderstorms here as we head throughout the overnight and into the early morning tomorrow. And then the cold front is going to swing through, and that'll fire up that afternoon round of storms that we are expecting. We'll get some daytime heating going, a couple of peaks of sunshine here and there, and that'll be enough to get some additional energy into the atmosphere to fire off those storms. We are going to watch this one system coming through the area eventually, another system back in behind it, and there's a few more in tow, so it's an unsettled pattern, but the key is by Saturday morning. It looks like the wet weather is going to wrap up, and then we'll get one system Sunday night into Monday. And I'm just hoping that timing works out, that we get all of the daytime hours here over the long weekend with some dry conditions. Let me show you here on the Futurecast model what the timing with all of this looks like. 1 o'clock in the morning, that first band of showers arrives here in Toronto, continues through about 5 a.m. A few showers during the morning commute, heavier along portions of the 400 and the 404. Scattered showers by midday. We catch a little bit of a break, but into the early afternoon, thunderstorms start to roll back through the area, and then they'll be popping up as we go throughout the evening hours and continuing during the day on Friday with the unsettled weather, scattered showers. Thunderstorm risk Friday night could get a little rough, especially for areas up toward the north. So something we'll be keeping an eye on here as we go through the day tomorrow. When we take a look at the 7-day forecast, we do get into some summertime temperatures here over the long weekend. A lot of 26s showing up, a 28 on Friday and a 27 degrees there for Saturday. A little cooler, a little fresher, but not by much. Still feeling summer-like Tuesday into Wednesday of next week. That's your forecast.